Croatian company DOK-ING has taken the engineering world by surprise by introducing one of the most sophisticated robotic and autonomous systems developed to date. And with good reason. The MV4 Scorpion is a multi-purpose, light-tracked, remote-controlled system that can be used for many purposes, tailored for military and civilian use. Initially made for clearing unexploded ordnance and anti-personnel mines, the Scorpion is fully armored from all sides to protect it from explosives and get the job done using a steel flail attachment tool. Nevertheless, the multi-purpose vehicle can also be fitted with a grip to lift and move objects, such as cars and obstacles, a dozer blade to clear roadblocks, a tiller, segmented roller, a forklift, and even an EOD arm for digging and cutting. If that was not enough, the Scorpion can be easily transported by helicopters, cargo aircraft, containers, and car hauler trailers. For these and many other reasons, it has reached almost every corner of the world. DOK-ING Company. Do not send a man to do a machine's job is the motto of DOK-ING, an engineering powerhouse of heavy-duty robotics and autonomous systems based in the capital of Croatia, Zagreb. This international market leader company has more than 80% of the market in over 40 countries. It is present in several countries, such as the United States, the Republic of South Africa, the Republic of South Korea, and the People's Republic of China. After more than 30 years in the robotics industry, DOK-ING has been globally recognized for bringing changes to the industrial scene with innovative approaches, earning dozens of awards internationally. DOK-ING has committed itself to integrating its technology, innovations, and robotic systems to protect human life and property in dangerous environments, and providing its assets for military engineering, underground mining, and emergency responses. The company has produced several robotic and autonomous systems for various specific tasks. Some of them are the MVF-5 Emergency Robotic System for disaster management and the XLPS Extra Low Profile Dozer for underground mining and deep excavation. For HMA, or Humanitarian Mine Action, DOK-ING has developed the MV2 Compact EOD Robotic System, also known as the Honey Badger, the MV10 Heavy-Duty EOD Robotic System, and MV4 Multi-Mission EOD Robotic System, better known as the MV4 Scorpion. MV4 Scorpion. According to DOK-ING, the MV4, quote, is one of the world's best-renowned light category mine clearance and EOD robotic systems. Its low profile and robust structure make it resistant to all AP mines, detonations, and UXOs of similar intensity. It can also sustain AT mine explosions. The MV4 is the only mine clearance and EOD robotic system in its category that has proved its efficiency in real combat environments. Although the MV4 Scorpion was originally designed for human demining, DOK-ING engineers took inspiration from previous designs, such as the MV1, MV2, and MV3 mine clearing systems, to create something different and more powerful. The result was a multi-purpose robotic system with additional enhancements and attachments tailored for several activities and scenarios besides mine-clearing operations. The base model of the MV4 Scorpion, without specific attachments, has a length of 3.1 meters, a width of 1.54 meters, a height of 1.49 meters, and an approximate weight of 5,025 kilograms. It's powered by a Perkins 1106 modified 6-cylinder water-cooled turbocharged diesel engine that provides over 250 horsepower and consumes between 15 and 20 liters per hour of usage. The fuel tank has a capacity of 70 liters, and hydraulic oil capacity is topped at 200 liters. The Scorpion has a transport speed of over 5 kilometers per hour and an operational speed of over 1.26 kilometers per hour. Protection and mobility. The structure of the MV4 Scorpion is protected by Hardox 450 steel plates that are between 6 and 20 millimeters thick, depending on the area. All of the tools employed by the vehicle are resistant to mine blasts. In July 2004, the Swedish EOD and Demining Center proved the MV4 Scorpion could withstand the explosion of landmines and standard 7.62mm NATO ball ammunition. The terrain is not an obstacle for the Scorpion. Thanks to its powerful engine and design, it can easily overcome rough terrain and reach unapproachable areas. It has a fording depth of 45 centimeters, a clearance depth of 30 centimeters, and a clearance width of 1.8 meters. The Scorpion can traverse slopes of 35 degrees up and down and longitudinal slopes of 20 degrees. The MV4 can also drive on transversal slopes of 45 degrees. It can employ its hydraulic arm to perform self-recovery from a trench or channel in case it gets stuck. To bolster its area of operations, DOK-ING developed the Scorpion with ease of transportation in mind. It can be transported from one location to another without special needs or escort. By air, the Scorpion can be delivered by cargo airplanes or rotary wing aircraft using lifting points. The Scorpion can be delivered by truck and car hauler trailer by land. Through the sea, the MV4 can be transported by container. Tools and attachments. The Scorpion features a hardened steel flail attached to several hammers at the end. Once fitted, the MV4 can perform mine clearance, soil treatment, and vegetation cleaning. 2 different flail hammers provide additional protection to the vehicle. The light flail is made of high-resistant steel and used for standard terrain. Meanwhile, the second flail is made of hardox steel and is employed against difficult terrain. Both resist AT mine blasts and IED explosives of similar nature. The tiller unit is also used for mine clearance and mechanical ground preparation. It has 58 steel teeth levers with claws that can break mines up to a depth of 25 centimeters. It can also cut down young trees or bushes in zones with abundant vegetation. Another tool in the Scorpion's arsenal is the segmented roller unit for clearing paths or specific areas. It employs 12 rollers that have a clearing width of over 2 meters. The dozer blade is used for earth moving, breaching, and mobile cover, with a pushing capacity of 4 tons. Likewise, the rear shovel has a lifting height of 2.4 meters. The EOD arm, composed of a claw, bucket, and hydraulic cutter, handles dangerous objects, digging, cutting, and deep interrogation. Its lifting capacity is 400 kilograms. Other tools in the Scorpion's arsenal are the rotational gripper for removing obstacles and the segmented roller. Worldwide operations. The Scorpion was later upgraded with a video camera system of 9 cameras that allows the operator to observe its position by picture-in-picture modes. This upgrade also allows the Scorpion to operate remotely with a controller up to 1.5 kilometers away. DOK-ING has delivered more than 150 Scorpions fitted for the mine clearance role to multiple armies worldwide. Some include the United States, South Korea, Greece, Ireland, Sweden, Croatia, Sri Lanka, Nicaragua, and Colombia. The U.S. Army employed over 40 Scorpions under the designation M60 MV4 during its military presence in Afghanistan, saving the lives of hundreds of infantrymen from the dangers of mines placed by insurgent forces. In 2020, South Korea commenced employing the Scorpion for mine clearance operations. DOK-ING announced it would train 11 specialists from the Army to effectively employ the vehicle for multiple operations. On October 5, 2022, DOK-ING hosted a multinational delegation from Europe to train police officers, firemen, and professional forestry managers to properly use the MV4 to fight forest fires. During that same month, the Swiss Foundation for Mine Action announced it would supply Ukraine with MV4s to help the country clear mines in urban and rural areas affected by the conflict. In February 2023, DOK-ING donated 8 fully equipped Scorpions to Ukraine for humanitarian demining. The company has recently presented the latest version of the robotic vehicle to the military diplomatic corps of 11 countries to showcase its use for underground mining, military engineering, and nuclear, chemical, biological, and radiologic handling of hazardous material. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our DOK Tech channel to discover more videos of unique technological innovations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of our newest videos.